Hi guys, I got this watch from Amazon. It's 55 bucks from this brand, Very Fit. I got the app that you can connect your phone with it. It's got all those different options. Um, Long battery life, that's for sure. It's like 4 days without even charging it. Color display, it's got this different ratio, 1.69. Blood oxygen monitoring, which I don't know how accurate it is, but it's pretty much 94, 95 percent oxygen, which is still pretty good. But anyways, this is the watch itself. It's pretty light. It's actually a good watch. It's lightweight. You don't even feel it when you're wearing it. A solid black, classy look. It's got large dials, easy to see it even on a bright sun. See how big it is, and you can change this watch faces. 3 different custom faces. But it's got the blood oxygen. It also has a stress management level that measures it. This is a heart rate thing. And this is measuring the stress. I don't know how it measures it, to be honest. It's got this like chart, but mine was good. It's like 38 or something, so it's pretty good. Yeah, it also keeps your sleep. So the good thing about this, it uses this dial to go through the menu. Again, you press it and it goes here, and the it helps you with your breathing techniques, sleep patterns, and it goes to sleep right away. So the sleep pattern, it's something that I don't use because I don't wear my watch when I'm sleeping. But another good thing about this is that you can go through your exercise mode, and then from within the same page, you can go to switch between different activities. So that's a good thing. You don't have to go to the menu to change it. The battery life is unbelievable, and that really, it's a winner for me because I don't want to keep charging things. I have enough stuff to charge. Oh yeah, the other thing is the Very Fit app. It's compared to the older models. This one, it's on your phone. You have to download the app, but it's really the performance has improved. It pairs up with your phone, pairs up your phone with your watch really, really fast. Like for example, the weather, the emails, and the music, it gets paired up almost automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. Like this one is blood oxygen, the weather, the sleep. So when I press this is the music. It picks up the music, whatever is on your phone, and the weather, for example, automatically picks up where you are. The older model, that was a hassle to pair up your watch with your phone. But yeah, overall, it's a good watch. For 55 bucks, you can go wrong. The band is solid, and it's very light. So as I said, yeah, this is something that I would use, and I'm using it today. See how it's gonna hold up in the long run. Okay, thanks. Bye.